Hey! Hey, Rhubarb! Hey, Rhubarb, hey!
I'm not actually rhubarb.
Hey, Rhubarb! Are you on the clock?
What?
Because I heard you get paid celery.
I am celery, and either you quit calling me rhubarb or I'm going to stop listening.
Whatever. You're all stock and no action.
Not listening to you. See how easy it is? Real piece of cake.
We are really going to need your help today.
What is that sound? Do you know?
Snoring!
Snoring? Is Steve still sleeping? There's no time for sleeping. Will you go with Blue and wake up Steve? Excellent.
We'll go start the breakfast.
Yummy, yummy. Steve, it's time to get up. Steve, wake up.
Duck, duck, goose.